Welcome to SDMS, the smartest way to navigate the new lower secondary curriculum. Let's face it, generating report cards shouldn't be a burden. Today, I'll show you how SDMS transforms weeks of paperwork into just a few simple clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Smart Elective Management. First, let's handle electives. In Senior 1, SDMS automatically assigns your school's primary elective to all students. But we know every learner is unique. Switching a student from agriculture to literature or any other elective is now as simple as a single click. Total flexibility, zero stress. Step 2. Automated topics and competencies. We believe teachers should focus on teaching, not data entry. SDMS comes preloaded with the full NCDC syllabus, including every topic and competency. Once a topic is finished, just mark it as complete. Now, here's the magic. When awarding marks for activities of integration, you don't have to type out long comments. Simply select from our pre-installed list of competencies to attach meaningful, curriculum-aligned feedback instantly. You provide the insight, we handle the admin. Step 3. Effortless project tracking. Projects are vital, contributing 10% to the final grade. With SDMS, you can manage up to 2 projects per student, record titles, descriptions, and outcomes in seconds. Need to make an update? You can edit details anytime, keeping your data safe, organized, and ready for the final report. Step 4. The 80% Power Punch. When it's time for end-of-term exams, SDMS does the heavy lifting. Enter your scores out of 80%, and our system automatically calculates the totals and converts them into the official grade descriptors. Accuracy is guaranteed. Step 5. Instant generation. And just like that, you're done. One click and SDMS generates professional, NCDC compliant report cards. They are beautiful, precise, and ready to print or share instantly with parents. Why stay stuck in the past when you can automate the future? Join hundreds of schools already using SDMS to bring sanity to their reporting. Ready to see it in action? Visit www.sdmsapp.com to create your school account today with our free 4-month trial period, or WhatsApp on 0701 313012.